You might not realize it, but it's your hips that keep you steady when you get out of bed, climb a step, or avoid a fall. Few people know this, but there's a single movement capable of activating all the hip muscles in less than 1 minute and preventing years of pain and stiffness. The most impressive part? It doesn't require a gym or any equipment, and it's been used by specialists to restore strength and balance in people over 50. But the real secret isn't in the movement itself. It's in how the hips are activated, in a way most people have never learned to do. And it all begins by understanding the true role of the hips, the silent structure that supports every step we take. Before we start, tell me in the comments, where are you watching this video from? And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. After 50, the hips become the most important joint in the body. They give stability when walking, protect the spine, and prevent falls. But over time, they lose strength and coordination, and that affects balance, walking rhythm, and even posture. Research shows that weakness in the hip muscles is one of the main predictors of falls in older adults, and that training these muscles can restore mobility and independence. Strengthening the hips is more than an aesthetic matter. It's a lifelong movement insurance. And perhaps no people in the world understand the art of preserving movement better than the Japanese. In Japan, longevity and mobility walk hand in hand. Instead of intense workouts, the Japanese cultivate movement in every gesture. They sit on the floor, stand up without support, walk in a crouch position, and practice postures that require hip control. These habits keep the stabilizing muscles active all the time. Studies with Japanese elders show they have greater strength in the hip abductors and better balance, even after the age of 80. Traditional movements like shikodachi, sumo stance, and zazen seated meditation are examples of this philosophy, simple yet incredibly effective. Behind it all lies ikigai, the purpose of keeping the body active as part of life, not as an obligation. What almost no one notices is that the hips speak to the rest of the body, and the body responds. And it's precisely from this idea, natural and conscious movement, that the exercise you're about to learn was born. And don't leave before the end, because today I'll show you a simple yet extremely powerful movement and share essential safety tips that make all the difference in your practice. For decades, most people have strengthened their hips lying down or sitting, and that's the mistake. The hips are designed to stabilize the body while standing on one leg. When training mimics that natural position, the body activates deep muscles that support the pelvis and relieve chronic pain. That's the key point that turns a simple exercise into something powerful, and that's what this 1-minute movement does better than any other. Imagine a low fence beside you. Your goal is to lift one leg over it without touching, slowly and with control. The movement is lateral, as if drawing a half circle in the air with your foot. Step 1. Hold onto a wall or chair if needed. Keep your body upright, your core slightly firm, and your gaze forward. Step 2. Lift your right leg and imagine there's a fence beside you. Move your foot over that invisible fence, slowly feeling your hips working. Step 3. Place your foot gently on the floor without dropping your body. Then repeat the same with your left leg. Did you feel your hips activate? That's the point. As you alternate sides, the lateral hip muscles engage, stabilizing the pelvis and restoring body control. For beginners, lift your foot about 8 inches, 20 centimeters off the ground, keeping a smooth rhythm. Over time, you can increase height, control, and fluidity. The full version is done in 4 steps. Step 1. Lift your right leg and move it over the side fence. Step 2. Move the same leg forward as if circling a second fence. Step 3. Repeat the same with your left leg. Step 4. Return to the starting point, closing a square. This small circuit activates the hips in all directions, lateral, frontal, and posterior, strengthening every muscle that maintains balance and walking ease. Few movements train the hips so naturally and completely, but the real secret isn't in how much you do, it's in when to stop. This exercise is powerful but must be practiced in moderation. The ideal point is to stop as soon as you feel a light burn in the hip muscles. No pain, just controlled effort. Practicing 2 to 3 times a week is enough to build lasting, stable strength. More than that can cause fatigue and slow your progress. Over time, your body responds with firmness, balance, and freedom of movement, and the benefit goes far beyond physical strength. Strengthening the hips means strengthening the base of your independence. With each repetition, your body relearns how to balance, to walk with confidence, to react quickly to a stumble. That's the real secret of those who age well. Mobility is freedom, and the stronger your hips, the lighter your path ahead will be. Safety guide before any movement. Before starting any exercise, remember, respect your body's limits. If you feel pain, dizziness, or discomfort, stop immediately and resume only when you feel safe. Use a firm mat, and if needed, support yourself on a wall or chair. The goal here isn't to push the body, but to strengthen it with awareness and ease. If you have any specific health condition, consult a professional before starting any new practice. This channel is educational and informative. The content shared here does not replace medical or physiotherapeutic guidance, but serves as an invitation to reconnect with your body with balance, presence, and wisdom. Just as the Japanese have done for centuries, caring for the body with respect, not with haste. Strengthening your hips means strengthening the foundation of your independence. With each repetition, your body relearns how to balance, to walk with confidence, to react to a stumble. Caring for your hips is caring for your freedom of movement, and that's worth more than any medicine. That's the true secret of the Japanese who age well. Mobility is freedom, and movement is the bridge between body and longevity. And remember, take care of your hips as you would the roots of a tree. The stronger they are, the more stable your life becomes. Imagine yourself walking lightly, firmly, confidently, as if your body had rejuvenated from within. That's what movement does. If this video helped you, leave a like and share it with someone who needs to strengthen their hips. 1 minute a day can change the way you move. In Japan, they've proven it. The secret isn't in age, it's in the habit.